Your brain is lying to you. Psychology facts that'll shock you. Did you know your brain can trick you every single day, and you don't even realize it? Let's dive into some mind-blowing psychology facts that'll change how you see yourself and everyone around you. Fact number 1, the brain can't multitask. First up, multitasking, it's a myth. Your brain isn't really doing two things at once. It's rapidly switching between tasks, which actually slows you down and increases errors. So if you're texting while watching this video, maybe pick one. Fact number 2, we forget fast. Here's a wild one. You forget about 50% of new information within 1 hour. That's called the Ebbinghaus forgetting curve. But don't worry, reviewing info regularly helps beat the brain's delete button. Fact number 3, we judge in seconds. Your brain forms a first impression of someone in just 7 seconds, and sometimes even faster. Crazy part? It's often based on looks, body language, or tone, not facts. So yeah, your brain's a bit judgy. Fact number 4, rejection feels like pain. Ever felt heartbroken and physically hurt? That's because social rejection activates the same brain regions as physical pain. Yep, your brain treats emotional wounds just like real ones. Fact number 5, your brain loves stories. Fun fact, your brain is wired for stories. It remembers narratives way better than raw data. That's why we love movies, gossip, and YouTube videos like this one. Your brain is powerful, emotional, and full of surprises, so next time you forget a name, judge someone quickly, or feel sad after being ghosted, just blame psychology. Smash that like button if your brain learned something new, and subscribe for more mind-opening facts.